Did you know that the total value of global financial markets is estimated to be more than $1 quadrillion? That's right, quadrillion, a figure with 15 zeros trailing behind it. Imagine a never-ending line of dollar bills stretching from Earth to the moon and back, not once, not twice, but over 200 times. Now, think of financial markets as the world's largest supermarket. Only instead of buying fresh produce or the latest box of cereal, you're shopping for financial products. There are different aisles, if you will, each representing a different type of market. There's the stock market, an aisle bustling with activity where shares of companies are bought and sold. It's like a bustling fruit and vegetable market where prices fluctuate based on supply and demand. Sometimes there's a glut of apples and their price drops. Other times there's a shortage and prices soar. Similarly, if a company performs well, its stock prices rise. If it doesn't, they fall. Then there's the bond market, a quieter, more predictable aisle. It's like buying a savings certificate from a grocery store that promises to pay you back with a little extra after a certain period. And don't forget about the commodities market, where you can invest in physical goods like gold, oil, or wheat. It's akin to buying a plot in a community garden. The value of your plot can increase depending on the popularity and demand for the produce you grow. But, like any supermarket, the financial market isn't without its risks. Prices fluctuate, and there's always a chance you might not get the return you expect. But armed with knowledge and understanding, you can mitigate these risks. So why not dive into the world of investing? It's a journey that can be as exciting as it is rewarding. And the best part? You don't need a fortune to start. A few dollars invested wisely can grow exponentially over time. Understanding financial markets might seem like a daunting task, but remember, even the most seasoned investors had to start somewhere. It's like learning a new recipe. You might fumble a bit in the beginning, but with practice, you'll soon be whipping up a feast. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are countless resources available to guide you. Read books, follow reputable financial news outlets, and consider seeking advice from financial advisors. Investing is not about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth over time. It's about securing a comfortable future, realizing dreams, and achieving financial freedom. So why wait? Start your journey into the financial markets today. It's time to turn those dollars into assets and those assets into wealth. It's time to shop in the world's largest supermarket. But remember, always shop wisely. After all, it's your hard-earned money you're spending. Happy investing. Happy